Welcome to the VintageCoach Pulley Bag tour. So this is the Pulley Bag. I believe this one is from the late 60s to early 70s most likely, because it's got the little metal tag inside instead of a creed, which I'll show you in a minute. But here is a 360 view of the bag. As you can see, it's a shoulder flap bag, so it's just got a flap closure like so, and it's got a little hang tag here with the suede backing. So here's a close-up of the front of the bag. You can also kind of see the shade of blue a little bit better. It's got this nice suede lining on the inside, or suede texture. It's all one piece, so it's not a separate suede lining, I don't believe. And here's the inside of the bag. You can see from the construction that this bag is a little bit older than obviously some of the newer vintage bags that we've seen. There's some of the more, I guess, raw stitching on the inside. And here I'm going to try to show you the metal tag inside. So this predated the traditional creed that we see more nowadays. So I believe this bag, judging by the tag, is probably from the late 60s to early 70s, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, that's a close-up of that for you, and then this obviously is a pocket. So that's the Pulley Bag, and as far, I'm not sure if it has a style number, but not one that I've heard of. I'll also show you the hang tag real fast. Just a little bit of a close-up. The back with the suede texture. So yeah, that's the Pulley Bag. Thanks so much for watching, and we do have this particular bag, this one right here, available in our Etsy shop, so I'll put a link below if you're interested in this particular bag. Thanks so much for watching.